The daily green's breaking you. Most time you're tired and down. Your engagements every day due should be the best round for round. It can't go on this way. Just take emergency break and look for a holiday. Would be a wonderful take. So come along with me to Moraira. Let yourself be pampered by me and feel lucky and free. Down the Costa Blanca we'll find Moraira, a romantic bay at the sea, just for you and me. We'll rent a little villa with a view to the sea. Every day I'll serve you breakfast. You can't believe we'll lay down on the pool, spend our time with our hand, and sudden if we want, we'll go to beach and sand. So come along with me to Moraira. Let yourself be pampered by me and feel lucky and free. Down the Costa Blanca we'll find Moraira, a romantic bay at the sea, just for you and me. And that night with Alfonso we'll have some red wine and all the Spanish love songs. Say, won't that be fine? So come along with me to Moraira. Let yourself be pampered by me and feel lucky and free. Down the Costa Blanca we'll find